What's up, fellas? You ever wanted to wear a scent that was so irresistible that it made her bite her lips? Man, look, today, that's the type of vibes we on today. I got 5 panty dropping fragrances that's guaranteed to make any lady in your life go crazy. So man, before we get into the video, check out this short disclaimer.
Videos for entertainment purposes only. There is no single-handed fragrance that's going to guarantee you the draws. If you got your hygiene right, your confidence together, and your appearance is right, then these fragrances may heighten your chances.
YouTube, man, what's going on? This is the Layered by Scentz channel, where we elevating your presence one spray at a time, man. I'm your smell good partner D, back again, and you already know what I came to do, man. I came to keep you fresh, fly, and confident, man. So look, man, today we talking about 5 fragrances that's panty droppers, man. That's for sure to make the woman in your life go crazy, man. To make her obsessed with you, man. To make her remember you when you leave. So look, if you're into that type of vibe, stay tuned. But hey, before we get into that, I just want to say what's up to the Smell Good squad. Hey man, it's all love over here. You know we a fam. And yo, if you're not a part of the Smell Good squad, like I always tell you, go ahead and subscribe, man. Why you acting all scary? Huh? You scared? You ain't gotta be scared, man. It's all love over here, man. We a community, we show love, and man, I'm very thankful for you guys for rocking with me. So like I said, man, become a part of the squad, man. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and man, if you're into fragrance reviews, you're into hidden gems, or finding out about new fragrances with a little bit of game sprinkled on top, this the channel for you, man. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so man, popping this list off, we start off with that Baccart's Satin Oud. It's that Baccarat Satin Oud. Man, this is inspired by Mason Francis Kirkjohn's Oud Satin Mood, man. And this one right here, this is definitely one of those ones, man. Now, a lot of guys might say that this is a feminine scent. A lot of guys are afraid to wear rose. But man, this one right here, the ladies love it, man. I'm telling you, man, as a man, you rocking this scent right here, and I'm telling you, your lady, she gonna be all over you. You're gonna be unforgettable, man, because this right here, for sure, sets the mood. You feel me? I'm talking about the lady in your life. She's gonna definitely appreciate when you put this one on, man. You put this on for a date night. You put this one on just when you want to impress her, man, and you want to leave a statement. This is a statement piece right here. And man, whew, straight pressure. And you know what they say about pressure. Pressure definitely busts pipes, you feel me? And man, your lady, she gonna be ready to bust it open for you with this one on. Hey, all right, man, so the notes in this one, man, you got oud, you got that beautiful rose, you're gonna get some violet, some vanilla, and some amber oxide, man. And man, it all blends together so well, man. Now, this fragrance, it is definitely unisex. Some guys may say they don't like it. They may say that it leans a little bit feminine because, you know, most of us, man, we scared to wear rose in the fragrance. But man, I think this one is done so well, man. And if you're just a guy that has a certain type of swag, you can definitely get away with this one, man. Like I said, man, the ladies love it, and that's all that matters. If the ladies love it, then man, you got to go ahead and put it on. You feel me? So man, definitely check it out. Get your nose on it. This is that Baccarat's Satin Oud. So next up on our list of panty droppers, man, it had to be no other than that Zakat's You Are My Fire. That's Zakat's You Are My Fire, man. And this one right here, this is a summertime banger, man. I think this one is definitely perfect for those daytime situations. You can get away with it at night too, but I think the daytime is where it really shines, man. Definitely a summertime essential for me, but man, for the ladies, I'm telling you, your lady, she gonna love this one, man. And this one right here, I think this is the one that you break out on those daytime experiences, man. So man, if you're having like a nice date, brunch, lunch, you know, nice matinee movie, you know, you just meeting up and y'all going for a walk, some light exercise or something during the daytime, I'm telling you, man, you put this one on and you gonna kill her, man. I could just imagine like going on like a nice romantic picnic during the day and you having this scent on, man. It's just gonna be so sensual and seductive, man. This one is pure heat, like a tropical fruit that was dipped in molten gold. That juicy mango hits first with that spicy ginger and that nice balance from the citrus on the top. And then it's going to dry down into a more masculine, woody type of salty essence, man, from like that ambergris. And like I said, man, this is perfect for those summer day vibes, man. You could probably get away with it at nighttime too. But like I said, man, summer day vibes, and man, you're going to definitely have her attention all day. You feel me? So man, definitely check it out. And this is that Zakat's You Are My Fire. Next one on our list, this is a hybrid type of panty dropper, man. This one is mixing two different scents together that's creating one scent that is just super sensational, man. And that is no other than Borouj Mysterious. That Borouj Mysterious, man. And man, this one right here, just imagine Erba Pura and BR540 had a baby, man. That's what this fragrance gives me. I'm talking about crazy vibes. This was going to hit you with all type of fruity nuances. You're going to get that saffron, you're going to get that amber, woods, and musk, man. So like I said, man, it mixed in between those two scents so well, and it just birthed this beautiful hybrid, man. And look, man, you can tell by the bottle, man. You can tell by the bottle, man. You put this on, panties is dropping. You gonna have your lady in a chokehold, for real. This one, pure seduction in the bottle, man. It's gonna hit you with that Baccarat sweetness, with that luscious fruity kick that Erba Pura brings, man. This one for sure is loud. It's attention grabbing, lip biting. I'm telling you, man, this one right here, you're definitely gonna get questioned about what you have on and why you got it on, because she gonna definitely think you trying to get some. So definitely expect lots of compliments with this one, man, because this one is a banger. And it's another one of those ones that just dances in the air, man. I'm talking about Sea-Odge monster, man. So wherever you go, whatever room you walk in and walk out of, they sure to remember you, man. So definitely check it out. Put your nose on it. This is that Borouj Mysterious. Alright, so look, next on our list of panty dropping fragrances that's gonna make her give you the draws. We got another one, man, and this one is definitely gonna have you out there like Tommy from Martin. You got the draws, dog. Cause man, this one right here, definitely a panty dropper for sure, man. And it's no other than that Intense Vibrations, man, by Fragrance World. That Intense Vibrations. And if you know anything about this one is inspired by of Initio's Addictive Vibrations, man. And man, this scent right here, this is definitely one of them ones, man. This one smells so good, you're gonna have men coming up to you asking you what you got on. You feel me? But let alone, just imagine them coming up to you, so you know your lady, she definitely gonna love it, man. She definitely gonna go crazy, because this one right here, that scent profile is mwah, chef's kiss. You feel me? So this one right here, it opens up with orange blossom, then you're gonna get honey, you're gonna get some musk and vanilla, man. And just those scents alone, man, I'm telling you, high heaven to the gods, man. This one is warm, it's floral, and then it's dipped in honey and vanilla. the orange blossom in this, it balances so well, man, because it gives it like a clean nuance, but that honey sweetness in this, I'm telling you, man, it is irresistible. She'll definitely lean in and hug you and will not want to let go. That's how good this one is. So man, you definitely gonna want to put this one in the collection. You definitely gonna get your nose on it. This is one of those ones, but some guys, they may say it's a little feminine, man, but it's okay. It is okay to go a little bit outside the box, man, because that's what ladies love, man. You want a scent that the ladies is gonna love. Sometimes we get these masculine scents and they don't smell good. You know, you want to smell like a rugged man sometimes, but when it's time to close the deal and make an impression, then you got to step outside the box, man. So like I said, definitely get it in your collection, in your repertoire. Get your nose on it, get you a decant, whatever you got to do. But man, you're definitely gonna like this one. So man, I ain't gonna tell you anything different, man. Just get it, man. But hey, that's Fragrance World's Intense Vibrations. So man, look, we've come to the end of our panty dropping list, and man, I know that I've got your arsenal right, man. I hope you guys been taking notes the whole time, man, because like I said, man, these fragrances, they definitely gonna get you the draws. So the last one on our list is no other than that Fakhar Extrait, man. We got that Fakhar Extrait. So look, man, you could tell by the gold bottle that they mean business. This one right here, this is inspired by a 1 million Parfum, man. But this one, it makes it a little bit fresher. Man, this one is fire. This is a modern twist on that classic clubbing scent DNA, man. This one is salty, it's floral, and that tuberose, the leather and the amber at the base, man, it makes it sexy and masculine as hell, man. So for sure, this one is definitely one of those ones that you want all eyes on you, all hands on you too. So this one right here, this is a beautiful blend, man. And once you put this one on, like I said, man, you're definitely gonna be turning heads. You're definitely gonna get noticed. And man, if shawty don't pay attention to you, somebody else gonna snatch you up with this one, because this one is fire. So if you ain't got it in your repertoire, just like all the other ones, go ahead and get your nose on it. See if you get you a decant, or even just get you a bottle, man. I think I got this for like 20 bucks at Burlington's. So man, you're definitely not gonna be losing out with this one, man. Definitely big on value. So definitely don't miss out on it. This is that Fakhar's Extrait. Alright, gentlemen, so there we have it, man. 5 guaranteed panty droppers, man, for your collection. So man, like I said, go ahead and go back through the video, write your notes down, you know, pick you a couple of them, or even get all 5 of them, man. Like I said, man, these definitely gonna put you in the ballpark of getting them draws. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hey man, if you guys want to, go ahead and drop down into the comments. Let me know which ones out of this list that you rocking with, or you thinking about getting, or you can also give me some of your picks of panty dropper fragrances you think work well, and still put them in the comments, man, and I'll check them out, and maybe I'll do a part 2. So I want to thank the Smell Good Squad for being the squad, for showing up, showing me some love, and man, just being a family. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Go ahead and subscribe, become a part of the fam. You're already watching the video.